So hey guys, it's Shriyaj here and welcome to back to MEGAMEDIA. In this video, I have put together some of the best Android apps available in the Play Store right now, and some of these are personally my favorite and I hope you will also like these. So without being said, let's get right into the video. So the first one is the Color Flow Live Wallpaper. So as the name suggests, it is a live wallpaper app. And if you are having a device with a AMOLED display or a high definition display, you could actually use these. These look amazing on your Android, and you could actually change the color distribution rate, the speed of it, and much more in these settings. It is a very simple app but much effective on your Android. If you are into making your device looking more stunning, you should pretty much download this. So the next one is Polygon. There are so many polygonal vector wallpaper available on the internet right now, and this app is just the thing that allows you to make these kind of vector polygonal wallpapers. In this you could actually make some of your own. There are some presets available. You could change pretty much everything about this wallpaper, and there's a section in which you could also take a photo and upload it and edit it into a vector image. You could actually control everything in it. You could change the number of polygons in it. You could actually change every single one of them. So this is the best app you should try for making your own wallpaper for your Android device. The next one is a game called Infinity. It is a simple game, just a puzzle game that allows you to sit and relax and get rid of all the stress you are having. The only thing you have to do is connect the two dots with all the lines, and you should actually form a closed loops. There are so many levels. I managed to get almost 800. This is an awesome time killer app which you should use if you are bored with all these high definition games and everything. This is an awesome puzzle game app you should really try right now into your Android. So the next one is a photo editing app. It's the Adobe Lightroom CC. The Adobe Lightroom CC is also available for the Windows or PCs you are using right now, and this app is pretty much that thing. It resembles exactly same to the software which you could use in your PC. You could edit your photos very nicely, cleanly in them. There are so many effects and presets available, and you could also edit everything manually. This is my favorite app which I use to edit all my thumbnails and everything. So you should actually pretty much check it out. It's free in the Play Store. Next one is Pi Control. So it is basically like a quick drawer app that comes from both the sides from Android. You could actually go to the settings and change pretty much the color and every single drawer icon. You could also put it in the corner, down the side, pretty much anywhere you want. It allows you to get to so many apps very quickly. Just press hold on the side and it comes out. You can change all the colors and all single apps in them. It's pretty much nice but a little bit annoying. If you accidentally touch your side, it's gonna go wrong. So I basically don't like it not that much. So the next one is Plus. This is an app which you should really consider downloading, because this app basically sets all your social media profiles into one. So if you want to share everything about you just want to share the link available from this Plus app. You could actually put your Facebook WhatsApp, email, Google Plus, YouTube account, everything pretty much into this one app. You just have to type your name in and add all the link of your account into this. So it's a very easy way to set it up. So many people are using this. The best use for this is that you could put this link in your social media accounts, in your Twitter accounts, like that. So if people click on that link, it opens this new tab or the plus icon, and all your social media accounts will be available in this single one. So if you want to share about your social media links to anybody, you just want to share this one link instead of sharing everything. So it's a pretty much app which could come in handy if you are using multiple social media accounts. So that's it, guys. That's my pick of the best app you should download right now into your Android. So I hope you liked my video. If you really enjoyed it, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it for getting instant notification of my new uploads.